What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's Dionna Cachet, and today I'm going to show you guys how to get this soft glam look. This is a very easy, beginner-friendly makeup tutorial. So if you're not that good with makeup, just keep watching. This is an easy way to achieve this look.
Came through drippin', came through drippin', came through drippin', diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', came through drippin', came through drippin', diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice.
Came through drippin', came through drippin', came through drippin', diamonds on my wrist, they drippin', ice. Came through drippin', came through drippin', came through drippin'.
Okay, guys, so we're just going to jump right into it. I'm going to use my Versali Unicorn Elixir, I think it's Unicorn Tears, as a primer for this. Okay, and I'm going to start by using my Juvia's Place gel eyeliner, and this is like in a dark brown shade. So normally when I do my brows, I go under with to make kind of like a clean line, and then I start filling in the top and getting the shape together that's just the way that I do it. And normally I don't take this long doing my brows, but for some reason, like the brush and the gel liner, it just was not working for me this day. Like, I don't know what was going on, but I did eventually get it together. I actually had to flip the liner over and it started working better. Sometimes I do have to wet it because it kind of like dries out, and I feel like it's because I had it for a while. And you know what, y'all? Players fuck up sometimes too. I did mess up, so I did wipe that eyebrow off and I started over. So don't get frustrated. You can start over, you can fix it. And look, the second time I actually got it right. And it worked right for me. So just to clean up my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer that I normally always use, just to clean those up and make them look really nice and fresh and sharp. Then I'm just taking a brush to blend in that concealer, and that is like a concealer brush that I got from Walmart like a year ago. So next I'm going to be going in with my NYX Proof It Primer for my eyes, and that is just to prime your eyelids. And I'm putting it on like this because there's literally barely any product coming out. Like, I don't know what it is with NYX and their product that you like has that little stick that you stick in there, because their concealer like that barely brings out any product for me. And this one does the same exact thing. So, yeah. But I'm just blending that out. And then I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Nubian palette. And I'm going to go in with that light brown shade as a transition shade. So honestly, I think I used like only 3 shades in this tutorial. So it's really easy. So I put that right below my eyebrow bone. And I'm using that as the transition shade. I'm just blending. Just trying to soften it up. So then next I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Then I'm kind of going like in circular motions to blend that shade in and to blend it up a little bit in with the transition shade. So then I'm going back with the same brush that I used for my transition shade and just blending that even more. Okay, so next I'm going to use like this champagne color from the palette, and I'm just putting that on with like a flat brush. And I'm putting it directly on the lid. I'm not cutting a crease or anything. I'm just putting it on the lid because I want this to be like a soft look. Okay, so we skipped the foundation routine, and I'm just going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, my chin, and that's it. I'm just going to blend that in using the beauty blender, a damp beauty blender. And a beauty blender always works for me. I mean, you can use what works for you, but my personal preference to blend out my concealer, my foundation, and everything is a beauty blender. I mean, it presses it into the skin perfect. It doesn't look streaky. Okay, next I'm going to be contouring. I'm using a flat concealer brush, and I'm just going in with a darker shade contour, and I'm just putting that on the areas that I want to emphasize to make my face look skinty and snatched. And then I know I'm gonna blend that out with my beauty blender as well. Okay, so next I'm gonna use my NYX contour powder palette, and I'm just gonna go in where I contoured at and put a darker powder there just to bronze up the skin and set the concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Almay foundation powder. This is not a setting powder, but I do sometimes use this to set my concealer under my eyes and to bake, because it's like the same exact color as my skin tone, and I know I will not get any type of flashback. Next, I'm going to use the two different shades from the Nubian palette, and I'm just going to go under my under eye with that kind of smoke that out and bring those colors down underneath. Next, I'm going to set using my NYX matte setting spray. And then I'm going to highlight using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero 143 shade. And I'm just applying that to my cheekbones with a fan brush. Next, I'm just going to use a eyeliner pencil and line my waterline in my eye. And that is in a shade black. For my lips, I am going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa matte lipstick. And then I'm just using mascara to blend my eyelashes with the actual falsies that I have on. And that is it, guys. This is the final look. So let me know what you think about this look down below in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. You know, if you like it, you know. But I know you're going to like it. So just give it a thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching.